Nagpal Industries. Number 1 in corrugated machinery and technologies. Introducing the Servo Box Stitching Machine. It is a high-precision, energy-efficient solution for carton stitching, designed with servo technology for brake alignment, reduced energy consumption, and fully electronic adjustments. With a low failure rate and smooth operation, it adapts to various carton sizes to meet industry demands. The servo-based stitching head, made from tungsten steel with Japanese-inspired blade technology, ensures durability and maintenance-free performance. A touchscreen interface allows easy selection of stitching patterns, including single, double, and enhanced nails, while carton size adjustments take less than a minute. Supporting both single and double nail cartons, this machine delivers fast, accurate, and reliable stitching, making it an ideal choice for modern packaging industries. Choose Nagpal Industries, where excellence meets technology in packaging solutions. Subscribe to our channel and get the latest updates on cardboard box machines. Our address is plot number 65, Sector 6, Faridabad, Haryana. Contact Nagpal Industries today at +919810 to 75497 and invest in machinery that transforms your vision into reality.